That's it. Let a bit of speed build up now. Just let it keep going. That's it. Go on. Let it go straighter. That's it. Now you're leaning back, Linda. You're leaning back. That's better. That's better. Let it go straight again now. Build a bit of speed. Now go left now. That's good. You're getting it. Let it go straight. Nice bit of speed. Keep going. Keep using that speed to get over the hill. Good. That's better, Linda. You're not leaning back as much now. Now don't be afraid of the slope. Just go with it. You just don't need to go as fast now. Okay, now we're going between the two lifts. You need to get over to the left a bit. That's it, Linda, you're snowboarding. That's it, just very little motion, just let it do it. Keep going, that's it. Go on, keep going.